Here's the solution for day 3. Solve the system of equations by changing to an augmented matrix and using Gauss-Jordan elimination. You can use your calculator's matrix feature to do this automatically. And that's the way that I'm going to solve the problem. So I'm going to bring my calculator on the screen and go to matrix. It's the same button as this x to the -1, but it's here in blue ink. So second and then matrix. Now I'm going to go over to the right to the edit menu, and I'm going to use the first matrix, matrix A. So I'm going to click enter. Right now my calculator has matrix A as a 1 by 1 matrix. I have no idea what your calculator might have, but we need to change this to the size of the matrix that we need. Our original system has 3 rows and 4 columns. It's got the column containing values for x and for y and for z and the constants. So we need a 3 by 4 matrix. Okay, as soon as we do that, it's going to create the matrix, and mine has a bunch of zeros filled in, and I'm going to change these to be all of the coefficients and constants from our system. So the first equation has a 1x, a 0y, a -3 for z, and then a -2. And those are the numbers I want to put across that row of 4 numbers. So 1 for the x, 0 for the y, -3 for the z, and then -2 for the constant. And now onto the second row. This time it's the 3 with the x, 1 with the y, -2 for the z, and then the constant's 5. So 3, enter, 1, enter, -2, enter, and 5. Okay, finally the last row. It's 2 for the x, 2 for the y, 1 is for the z, and 4 is the constant term. I've got all 12 numbers entered in there. Next, I want to quit back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, go to Matrix again. Go over to the Math tab and scroll down until I get to Row Reduced Echelon Form. It is the RREF, it's the choice B, and click Enter. Now I need to tell it the name of the matrix that I want to apply this function to. It was matrix A, but to find it, I go back to the matrix menu, and I choose that first matrix. And then I can close the parenthesis up and hit enter. On the screen, it gives me the row reduced echelon form. So the only thing left to do is interpret this. In the bottom row, this is saying 1z equals 2. So that means z is 2. In this middle row, it's saying 1y is equal to -3. This first row is saying 1x is equal to 4. So we can get our answer as an ordered triple. X is 4, y is -3, and z is 2. Here's the solution to the system.